In this video, we will learn some basic Excel functions, which are text functions, which is needed for daily use. So let's start. These are the strings upon which we will apply the functions, and the functions are upper, proper, lower, left, right, mid, concate, and exact. So let's start. What upper function does is it changes the entire string into capital letter, whether it's in small or in caps. It changes the entire thing into caps. So the syntax is like we will write equal to upper bracket, then on which cell we want to put the function. So I will put in this cell, so it is already coming. While I'm clicking, like we will enter the bracket, we will complete the bracket and enter, and let's see, like this is already changed into upper caps. Let's see one more example. We will use these things in uppercase, and for that we will use this upper function. So what we will do is equal to upper bracket, this string, it is already coming here, so we'll close the bracket and enter. So it's changed. Now what proper will do, it changes the string in a way like for every word the first letter will be changed into caps and other letter will remain in small. So I will change this into proper. So what I will do, we will write equal to proper. Which cell I want to put this cell, so I will click on this cell, or it's already coming, it's very interactive, and I will close the bracket and enter. Now see, this has changed to this, the first letter will be caps and other letter will be in small. Now I will be also using on this one, on this cell. So in this case, if I use proper, so it will be capital A B C space capital X then YZ. So I will use the proper function, prop here, then this cell, it's already come, so I will close the bracket and enter. So let's see the change as I wanted. Next I will use lower, so it's just a reverse of upper, like it will convert all the caps, uppercase into smaller case. So I will use this lower function. Which cell I want to put this function on? This. So this will change all things into small abc. So I will close the bracket, enter. You see the change, like all are in small caps. So I will use a similar function in this one or in this one. So I will use lower. This is the cell, I will click, it's already came. C3, I will close the bracket and enter. So it will change all of these ABC and XYZ into small. So this, see the change. Next is left. What left function does is like it will select the specified number of characters from the left. So let's see, like I want to take 2 characters from the left of this cell, like it will be AB. So let's see how this works. I will use equal to left in the cell, this and comma, how many characters I want to from the left. So this will bring AB in this cell. So bracket close, enter. See here AB is there. Now in this case I want to take 5 characters from the left side, and just remember one thing, blank is also a character. So 5 means the first one is A, then B, then C, then this blank, then X. So 5 character means from A to X it will take. So let's see, equal to left cell, comma, and number of characters I will take 5. So see, it is taking from A to X. Now right is just the reverse thing, like it will take number of specified characters from the right side. Like in case of ABC, let's say I want 2 characters from the right, so it will take BC. So let's see, like from right the first character is C and second character is B, so it will take BC. So let's see the function. So this is the text, and from that, from the right side I am taking 2 characters, closing the bracket and enter. So sorry, I will put upper, no it's not upper, it will be right. So just closing the bracket and enter, it is taking BC, 2 characters from the right side. So in this case I will be taking the next example, like 6 character from the right side. So 6 character means 1 2 3 4 including the blank, 5 6. So from B to Z it will take, if I take 6 character from the right side, so it will be equal to right, then this cell, then this number of characters will be 6. So in closing the bracket and enter. So let's see here from B to Z. Now coming to the next thing, that is mid. If I want to take any particular or number of characters from the mid of middle of a string, then this function will be used. Like let's say in case of ABC I want to take the B character, this middle character, then what will I do? It will be like equal to mid. On first have to give the cell number. This is the cell number. Next starting position from left side it will be taken. So the B is at position 2, A then B, so starting position will be 2, and how many characters will I take? 1, because I have to take only the B, so I will put 1. So if I enter, then B will be coming. Now let's say in this cell I want to take from B to X, so the starting position will be B, because the first one is A, then it's B, and from B it will be B1 character, C1 character, then blank, then X, then Y. So from B to Y total 5 characters. Now if I want to take from B to Y, then what will I do? I will use mid, the cell name, this one, then starting position will be B, then that means 2, then how much characters will I take? That is 5. So I'm closing the bracket and enter, and see from B to Y it's present here. Moving on to next function, that is concat. Like if you want to merge two cells, then I will use concat. Like if I want to merge the content of this cell and this cell, B and C, B2 and C2, then I will use this concat formula. So what will I do is I will put equal to, then already the function name is coming, concatenate. So I will click on this, then I will use the cell. I will want this one and this one to be merged. I will click on these two cells, bracket closed and enter. Now see, these two cells are merged, ABC and ABC, these two. Now the thing is, like I don't want these to be so close together, I want a space between them. Then what will I do? So then after B2 I will use the double quotes. Just remember, every character I will put here will be inside double quotes. So I'm putting B2, then double quotes, comma, then double quotes, then I give one space, then again double quotes, comma, then C2. Now this will give a space between them. See, like this is because this space. Now if I want hyphen between them, then what will I do? I will just keep on hyphen here or underscore, whatever you want, and then enter. See, now hyphen is coming between them. So this way we can concatenate these two. Like now see, like I want to concatenate these two. So what will I do? I will use equal to concat. Now first use this cell, comma. Now let's say in between these I want to give any other thing, like let's say Canada, then this as it is character string, then I'm putting this under quotes, then quotes, after quotes I will give a comma, then I will give the next cell, bracket closed, enter. So this is, you see, all are merged together. Now if I want a space between them, I can give like here and here. So now enter. Now let's see, there is space between Canada on both sides. Last one is exact. What exact does is, like, it will check two cell and compare these two, the content of them. If the contents are equal means in every aspect, whether in uppercase, smaller case, and everything, if those two are equal, then it will give us true, else it will give us false. Like let's say in these two, if I check, like for A2 and B2, one is in uppercase and another is smaller case, so these two are not equal. If I put an exact function on these two, then the result will be false. So let's check. So I will put this exact function, then I will use this cell, comma, this cell, bracket close, enter, and the result will be false as expected. Now if I test between this cell, this A2 and D2, this one and this one, both of them are in lowercase. So in this case the result should be true. Now let's see, like I'm changing this one, instead of this I am putting D2. Now bracket close, enter, now see here true is coming. So this is how we can use these functions to validate or means modify as our case needed. So that's it. We will in the next video we'll come up with some more functions. Till now, it's bye. Thank you.